Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to St Kitts and Nevis. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the e-visa website of St Kitts and Nevis. Okay. Here you can apply for electronic entry visa, which is also called e-visa. What you need, valid email address and travel document where it's going to be sent. And once you're ready, you can click on apply now. You can also check the status, okay? If you have applied before, whether it's approved or not. So it's a very simple step, okay? So let's begin. First, I'm going to select your title, gender. I'm putting sample, but you do as per your case. Date of birth, you select, enter, of course. You can select also if you click on this date picker, but I'm just putting sample. Country of birth, place of birth, present nationality, marital status, select as per your case. Then go for next. Now visa period, how many days you need? So let's say I need for 15 days. Passport number. Now these details you should verify very carefully. Passport number, country of issue, date of issue, date expires. Next, your occupation. There are so many occupations here. Let me see if we have other, like in case you don't find here, can you go for other? I don't see here, but at the bottom, no. But anyway, you can find what is matching to you. Okay, I'm just selecting one of those for a sample. Okay, IT consultant, I can. Name and address of your employer, do it properly. Home address, your home address. Home address, street, city, town, country, primary phone number. Is it mandatory? No, but always provide. Okay, I just did not do, but you provide. Purpose of visit. Wow, so many. I select vacation, reason, select tourism, date of arrival. Oh, you can select with this if you don't want to type. Yeah. Let's say you want to go on May 21st. Full name of the contact. Okay, so let's say you have booked the hotel or tour agency. You will definitely get such things. Primary phone number of the contact in St. Kitts and Nevis. Email address of the contact. Relation to contact in St. Kitts and Nevis. So aunt, brother, child, cousin, employer, father, friend, sister, uncle. So host I can do. Email address, your email address, okay? Retype email address. Oh, I have to type. I have put done sample, but you don't do sample and provide real values, number of entries, application reason, vacation. I want to work. I select no. Now you need to do this capture and submit application. Of course, I'm not going to do that because from there it will begin the processing and they may ask you for an additional document payment or anything. Okay, so that is how it goes, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.